Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Feel free to use the link in the description, which takes you to our website dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can register for free to receive daily free market updates, Elliott-Wave updates about actually different asset classes, including oil, stocks, cryptocurrencies, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and gold. Today we want to talk about Warner Brothers Discovery, because here we have an interesting development. It looks as if Warner Brothers is experiencing a little bit of a sell-off and is now heading towards our newly added target area that we want to discuss. So we are looking at the one-day chart here today for Warner Brothers Discovery. So what we can see is that the market actually decided to go with our alternative wave count, but we have added a new target area for this pullback, which could provide the opportunity for long positions for anybody who is interested in trading Warner Brothers Discovery. It usually makes sense when adding positions in these target zones or trading areas to set the stop loss 1% below the lower box boundary, which is at $3.90. So what are the targets? So first of all, before we actually talk about the targets, let's talk about the wave structure. Seems like that in this correction, which we see primarily as a wave 2 correction, so it's a very deep pullback, such a wave 2, that in this wave 2 correction, the market formed a WXY structure. Now it seems as if this Y wave is a very complex WXY XZ correction. At the time that was here end of last year, the market reacted already to one of our trading areas, but could not fulfill or follow a sustained breakout. It then this week pulled back and corrected down further and actually broke below the support level at $8.82. And this triggered here further sell-off and also our alternative wave count. And this caused us to add this box to the chart. It's a trading area. And it indicates that we might not see those prices again for a very long time should the price turn around here and achieve a sustained reversal. Now the box coordinates are between $7.26 and $3.90 with additional support at $5.98. There are three Fibonacci extension levels: the 100%, the 123.6%, and the 161.8% Fibonacci extension levels. Now, if there is a reversal, then the price should, in the following weeks, months, maybe even years, it can take a long time, break out above $16.34, this resistance level, which is the previous X wave high. And because the next wave up should be a third wave, well, we would expect quite a strong move, because a wave 2 pullback is normally for most Elliott-Wave traders the scenario or the corrective wave to look for a position, ideally as close as possible to a low. That's what our trading areas are for. We add these to indicate at which levels, at which price levels with a high likelihood a reversal can be expected. Of course, it's no crystal ball, it's all about probabilities, but if the wave count is correct, if the assumption is correct, we should see a reaction there. And the third wave is then typically the strongest wave in an uptrend. So we have an uptrend in wave 1, then a pullback in wave 2, which is the current correction. And then the third wave to the upside would be another impulsive wave, which should take it to above $16.34, which is already a substantial move to the upside from the box coordinates, so from the area between $3.90 and $7.26. Also, such a third wave will be a 5-wave move in itself. So in there, within the third wave, once it starts, there should also be pullback opportunities. Again, it would also be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. So in that larger third wave, there would also be a wave 2, just of a smaller size, of a smaller magnitude. And then there will also be, on the way up, certain structural resistance levels that need to be crossed, like here, this X wave high around $12, $13, the other X wave high around $14, and then obviously here the larger degree X-Wave at 1634. Don't think there is much more to add, but it's certainly interesting, maybe something for the watch list. At the moment, the primary scenario suggests that the price should, in wave Z in magenta, decline a little further to at least $7.26 over the coming weeks. Yeah, that's our update about Warner Brothers Discovery. Hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to use the link in the description to reach our website. And here, as I said, you can register and receive these daily updates for free. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.